Welcome students in online lecture of 12th Maths Second. Student, in Maths Second we will start first topic, differentiation. As you know, you had learned in 11th standard the different concept in the differentiation. What is the differentiation? You know, differentiation and different formulae you had learned in the 11th standard. In this video, before starting this topic, we will take revision of some important formulas you had learned in 11th standard. We recall all these formulae and some examples, and then we start this topic. Okay, so let's start. So students, what is mean by differentiation? See, as you know, बघा, एखादं काम असेल तर आपण काय करतोय, एकमेकांना ते काम वाटून देतोय, डिफरन्शिएट करतो आपण. एखादं काम असेल, मोठं काम असेल तर त्याचं आपण छोट्या छोट्या कामामध्ये काय करतोय, डिफरन्शिएट करत असतो. त्याला काय म्हणायचं आपण, डिफरन्शिएशन. आणि ह्याच्याबरोबर विरुद्ध अपोजिट काय आहे, इंटिग्रेशन. इन 12th स्टँडर्ड यू लर्न अबाउट द इंटिग्रेशन. इंटिग्रेशन बद्दल आपण पण इथे शिकणार आहे. त्यामध्ये देखील आपल्याला हा पॉइंट येणार आहे. इंटिग्रेशन बरोबर उलट काय आहे, जे वेगवेगळे भाग आहेत ते आपण एकत्र करायचे आहेत. ओके. डिफरन्शिएशन इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड ॲज डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. ह्याला दुसरं नाव काय आहे बघा, डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. डिफरन्शिएशन इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड ॲज डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. ओके. You had used both the words differentiate or find the derivative of the following functions. Both meanings are same. Okay. So in last standard you had seen how to find derivative of any function. We had learned how to take derivative. बघा, आपण जेव्हा एखाद्या गोष्टीचं डिफरन्शिएशन करायचं असते तेव्हा त्याला काय म्हणतोय, फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. यू हॅड लर्न फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. व्हॉट इज द फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह? फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह म्हणजे काय, आपण डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कसं करतोय बघा, वाय हे फंक्शन आहे, वाय इज इक्वल टू एफ ऑफ एक्स. वाय इज फंक्शन ऑफ एक्स. वी राईट दिस एज वाय इज इक्वल टू एफ ऑफ एक्स. When we differentiate this with respect to x, we get dy by dx, okay, is equal to f dash of x. So we call it as differentiation. Next, we find the differentiation by formula method. आपण बघा, हे फॉर्म्युला मेथडनं पण आपण काढलेलं आहे. डेरिव्हेटिव्हचं फॉर्म्युला माहीत नसेल तर आपण ते सहजपणे काढू शकत नाही. यासाठी डेरिव्हेटिव्हचे कोणकोणते फॉर्म्युले आहेत ते आपण पहिल्यांदा पाहूया. वी विल स्टडी फर्स्ट सम इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर्म्युलेज इन दिस टॉपिक, दॅट इज बेसिक कन्सेप्ट अबाउट द डिफरन्शिएशन इन दिस टॉपिक. सो लेट स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट वी सी which are the basic concepts. Suppose I had given here example, f of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 5. See here, what is meaning of this? F of x means here y. I had told you f of x means y. Means here f of x, y is equal to f of x. This is the function in x. If we differentiate this, then we write this as f dash of x is equal to d by dx of 2x square minus 3x plus 5. Okay. Or if we write this f of x as y, y is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 5. When we differentiate it, we write as y dash, or we can write as dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 2x square minus 3x plus 5. Okay. In this way, वी राईट द डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. एफ ऑफ एक्स असेल तर आपण कसं लिहिणार आहे बाबा, एफ डॅश ऑफ एक्स. आणि वाय असेल तर वाय डॅश ऑर डी वाय बाय डी एक्स. याला काय म्हणतो आपण, डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. डेरिव्हेटिव्हचं दुसरं नाव काय सांगितलं मी आता तुम्हाला, डिफरन्शिएशन. मग हे फंक्शन कोणकोणत्या प्रकारचे असतात, इथं बघा हे अल्जेब्राईक फंक्शन आहे का, ऍडिशन सबट्रॅक्शन झालेलं आहे. मग हे फंक्शन कोणकोणत्या टाईपचे असतात, सी द फंक्शन्स आर ऑफ डिफरंट टाइप्स. These are the functions. We write in terms of LIATE. What is mean by this? लिएट याला आपण लिएट म्हणून लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे. एवढ्या टाईपचे हे फंक्शन आहेत, 1 2 3 4 5. एल मीन्स व्हॉट, एल मीन्स लॉगॅरिथमिक फंक्शन. लॉगॅरिथमिक. देन आय मीन्स इनव्हर्स फंक्शन. E means exponential function. T means trigonometric function. A means algebraic function. Means in such type of functions are there. L means logarithmic function. What is mean by logarithmic function? बघा ज्यामध्ये लॉग असतं, फॉर एक्झाम्पल आय हे राईट, सपोज there is example log 2x plus 3. This is the logarithmic function. Then what is the inverse function? We know inverse function, sine inverse, cos inverse. These are the inverse function. Sine inverse 5x, cos inverse 4x. We had learned in maths 1 what are the inverse trigonometric functions. In this way, then how to find derivative. Then algebraic functions you had learned, that is algebraic function 2x square plus 5x minus 3. These are the algebraic function. Trigonometry means sine x, cos y, such type of. Exponential means e raised to x, a raised to x. These are the exponential functions. So there are these type of functions present in the derivative. Okay. Now students, we will see some standard functions and its derivative. See the given chart here. In this chart, the functions are given. Y is equal to f of x. This is the function given. And here dy by dx means derivative of y with respect to x. See y is here and here dy by dx. dy by dx means डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ वाय विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स. एक्सशी हे डिफरन्शिएशन आहे. आणि एफ ऑफ एक्सचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय येणार आहे, एफ डॅश ऑफ एक्स. एफ डॅश म्हणजे फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. ओके. फर्स्ट बघा हे आपल्याला 11वीला झालेलं आहे. सी मीन्स कॉन्स्टंट टर्म. व्हॉट इज द डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ कॉन्स्टंट टर्म? डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ कॉन्स्टंट टर्म इज 0. दॅट इज इफ वी टेक डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ 1 then it is 0. Derivative of x, derivative of 3, it is also 0. Okay. Then derivative of x raised to n. What is the formula for that? N into x raised to n minus 1. Suppose derivative of x square we have to find. Then we write as 2 into x raised to 2 minus 1. That is 2 into x. Derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. Derivative of 1 upon x raised to n is minus n into x raised to n plus 1. Then derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. You remember all these formulae you had learned in 11th standard. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Derivative of tan x is sec square x. Okay. Then see some another formulas. Derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x. Derivative of cosec x is minus cosec x into cot x. Derivative of cot x is minus cosec square x. Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. E raised to x derivative e raised to x राहते. Derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x into log a. you remember this formula. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Derivative of x to the base a is 1 upon x log a. If you remember this chart, you can easily find the examples which are based on this formulae. So students, first you recite all these formulae and then write the formulas in your notebook. Then solve the examples. Okay. Now we will see some examples which you had learned in 11th standard. In this video, we will see only the basic concepts. Okay. See examples on it. Differentiate following with respect to x. See students, what is the question? Differentiate with respect to x. So here given function is f of x is equal to 4x raised to 5 plus 3. We have to differentiate this function. So you write differentiate with respect to x. What we get? Derivative of f of x is f dash of x is equal to d by dx of 4x raised to 5 plus 3. Differentiate with respect to x. ह्याचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय येणार आहे with respect to x? f dash of x. आणि ह्याचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह हे आताच लिहिलं d by dx म्हणजे काय? Differentiate with respect to x. Okay. Now you take separate d by dx of 4x raised to 5 plus d by dx of 3. And you know this is the constant term, take outside d by dx of x raised to 5 plus d by dx of 3. Here 3 is the constant term, so its derivative is 0. You had learned the formula just now. Derivative of constant term, that is c, is 0. So we write 4 into, here what formula we use? Derivative of x raised to n. What is the formula for this? N into x raised to n minus 1. So here n means 5. So we write here 5 into x raised to 5 minus 1. That is 5 4 ja 20 into x raised to 4. So we get f dash of x is f dash of x as 20 x raised to 4. Okay. Now see second example. Y is equal to 3 sin x. Here you differentiate with respect to x. What we get? Differentiate with respect to x means d by dx. You remember differentiate with respect to x means d by dx of which here y is equal to d by dx of 3 sin x. Okay. So here 3 is the constant term, take outside. 3 into d by dx of sin x. So what is the sin x? 3 into derivative of sin x is the chart. You remember that chart. Sin x derivative का है cos x. So we get the final answer as 3 cos x. Differentiation is 3 cos x. Okay. Now similarly I take one more example. Addition and subtraction. What is the addition and subtraction of function? We will see. Y is equal to 2x raised to 4 plus sin x. Suppose this is, in this case student, there is addition of two functions. So we here differentiate with respect to x. What we get? d by dx of y is equal to d by dx of 2x raised to 4 plus sin x. Okay. First step, you write d by dx of y and d by dx of this. Now there is addition. So give d by dx to each term. So what happens? See, d by dx of 2x raised to 4 plus d by dx of sin x. What happens? 2 is the constant term, take outside. d by dx of x raised to 4 plus d by dx of sin x means derivative of sin x. What is the derivative of sin x? Cos x. You know the formula. 2 into x raised to n. What is the formula for x raised to n? N into x raised to n minus 1 plus cos x. So we get final answer as 4 2 is 8 x cube plus cos x. This is our final answer. Okay, understand? Here you take derivative of each term, first term and this is second term. Then two constant term take outside. X raised to 4 derivative of sin x is cos x. Derivative of x raised to n. What is the formula for x raised to n? N into x raised to n minus 1. So we get the required answer. See, similarly for subtraction, we have to differentiate with respect to x. What we get here? d by dx of y is equal to d by dx of e raised to x minus log x. So take separate. d by dx of e raised to x minus d by dx of log x. Same as addition. Okay, now you know the formula for derivative of d by dx means derivative of e raised to x. Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x minus derivative of log x. Log x derivative क्या है? 1 upon x. So this is our final answer. Okay, same for one more example. Now I take multiplication of two functions. See, the function is given f of x or y is equal to x square into e raised to x. The above example is of addition and subtraction. Now I take product, that is multiplication of two functions. There are two functions, x square and e raised to x. There are two functions. In above example, there are two functions, but addition and subtraction of two functions is there. Here product of two functions is there. So here we use the formula. First I write here formula. What is the formula? d by dx of uv. uv means u is the one term and v is the one term. Okay, this is the formula for product. First into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. You remember in this way. d by dx of uv. u means first term and v means second term. First into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. Okay, so here differentiate with respect to x. What we get? f of x derivative काय येणार आहे? f dash of x is equal to, here you use the product rule, means d by dx of x square into e raised to x. You write the formula. u means this, x square into d by dx of e raised to x plus e raised to x into d by dx of x square. So it is x square, derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x plus e raised to x as it is, derivative of x square म्हणजे x raised to n, n into x raised to n minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So we get x square e raised to x plus 2x e raised to x. You take common if any terms are common. Here common is x e raised to x is common. So remains x plus 2. This is our final answer. Okay students, understand? This is the product of two terms. Now we take division of two functions. See here, f of x is equal to e raised to x upon x square. Here there is division. So what is the formula? First I write here formula for division. D by dx of u upon v is equal to, what is the formula? V into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v upon v square, denominator square. Okay, this is the formula. Derivative of u upon v is equal to v into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v upon v square. Use this formula, so we get here f dash of x is equal to v means here denominator x square into d by dx of u means e raised to x minus u e raised to x into d by dx of x square upon v square. V means here x square square. Okay, understand? First you write v, then derivative of u means e raised to x minus u means e raised to x into derivative of x square. So we get x square into e raised to x minus e raised to x as it is into derivative of x square is 2x upon x square square is x raised to 4. So what becomes common here? X e raised to x becomes common. Remains x minus 2 upon x raised to 4. 1x get cancelled, x cube remains. So final answer is e raised to x into x minus 2 upon x cube. This is the final answer. Okay. Student, last point we will see is the composite function. What is mean by composite function? See, you had learned in 11th standard f composition g or g composition f. You had learned in this such type of function. That is, we write here f composition g of x असेल तर कसं लिहिलंय आपण f of g of x असं असेल तर आपण कसं लिहिलेलं होतं f of g of x आणि इथं x असेल तर कसं लिहिलेलं आपण g of f of x. Okay, you remember? So how to find the differentiation of composite function? I will give example. What is the example? See, f of x is equal to log of e raised to x. This is a composite function. See, there are two functions present, log and e raised to x. Therefore, this is a composite function. We have to differentiate this. Differentiate with respect to x. What we get? Derivative of f of x is f dash of x. And we know derivative of log x. Log x derivative काय येते 1 upon x. So you consider this term as x. So we get 1 upon e raised to x. Now again differentiate this function d by dx of e raised to x. This is called a composite function. बघा नुसतं log x असेल तर आपण याला सिंगल फंक्शन घेतलेलं होतं, पण इथे log x च्या ऐवजी काय आलेलं आहे log of e raised to x आलेला आहे, म्हणून याला काय म्हणायचं आहे कॉम्पोजिट फंक्शन. दोन फंक्शन इथं आहे. वी राईट ॲज log x डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय येतंय 1 upon x. x म्हणजे काय येतं e raised to x इंटू डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ e raised to x. ज्या फंक्शनचं पुन्हा या फंक्शनचं काय घ्यायचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घ्यायचं. सो 1 upon e raised to x इंटू derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x get cancelled. So final answer is 1. Okay, understand? So students, here in this lecture we had studied some basic concepts in the differentiation. That is, you first remember the chart you had given, derivative of standard function, constant function, then exponential function, x raised to n, 1 upon x, root x, sin x, cos x, tan x. All these chart you remember first and recite and solve the examples given in this video, and also some examples in 11th standard. So your today's homework is recite all these formulae of standard function, derivative of standard function, and solve the examples given in this video. Okay, we will stop here. See you in the next video.